What makes this strawberry shortcake a little different, I use homemade strawberry pie filling. So you get juicy berries and lots of strawberry sauce in every bite. Let's make it.
Mix the flour, sugar, baking powder, and a little bit of salt, and then add in the cubed butter. And using the pastry blender, we want to blend it until the butter is kind of pea size. We want to make sure it's well blended in the dry mixture. Now we're going to add buttermilk and just stir it until it's combined. We don't want to overmix it at all. That looks great. Place the dough on a pastry mat, just like I'm showing you here, and then use the cookie cutter to very gently cut out your shortcakes. You can just put these on parchment paper on a cookie sheet, and you'll have some scraps, so you can just keep molding them together until you have 4 or 8. This recipe that I'm making today is for 4 shortcake, and I want to encourage you to push them close together because they'll rise a lot better and they'll stay very soft. So then we brush the tops with cream, and I like to sprinkle a little raw sugar, paving sugar, some people call it. And then into the oven they go for about 15 minutes. Now while that's baking, we can get the strawberries sliced. Now these are the strawberries that we'll just add sugar to, and they'll be extra that we spoon on top of the shortcakes. Look how golden these shortcake are. Aren't they beautiful? On the tops and the bottoms. I'm so thrilled. So now we're going to put them together with some beautiful strawberry pie filling, some sugared strawberries, and a little bit of whipped cream, or maybe a lot. Split the shortcake and then start spooning on some of that delicious strawberry pie filling. Next up is whipped cream. Kind of build these in layers. Then the shortcake top, more strawberry pie filling, and this is where I start to add the fresh berries with sugar. And don't worry if some of them fall over. And then we top it all off with more whipped cream, of course. And this is just a little trick that I sometimes do with strawberries, just kind of create a fan with a fresh strawberry. So let's try it. Look at that. Beautiful golden shortcake.
That's delicious. The strawberry filling just makes it extra special. There's strawberry sauce absolutely in every bite. Thanks so much for spending time with me today in my little kitchen. But keep watching. There's lots of easy desserts coming your way. If you really enjoyed this recipe today, I hope you'll think about subscribing. And when you hit that notification bell, it means that every time I publish a new video, you'll know about it. Happy baking.